What up? So D back with another video. It is a quick unboxing, real quick. So, got this piece right here. I'll leave the link in the description. It's for the iPad. So we're gonna crack this thing on open real quick. In there. All right. One hand on him. One hand on him. I'm the man on him. One hand on him. Shit, get this thing out. Man, yo, the packaging is crazy, huh? Fiddling with boxes. All right, here we go. There we go. Damn, it's been like a minute already, man. I'm pulling this thing out. Yeah, the fucking packaging was that. All right, anyway. All right, so we got some instructions and stuff here. Let's see what this is. All right, let's get to the device, man. All right, I like the packaging, man, but come on, man, really? All right, so this is something that connects on to your iPad. I wanted to know if it connects on to the iPad with the case and everything on it. So I know some people probably want to know the same thing. So we got a 3.0 USB. We have HDMI, SD, micro SD, USB C, and an audio jack. So nothing at the bottom. Got a little ventilation. Oh no, that's for the speakers, because it's gonna be covering that one speaker on the side there. All right, and we got the wire, which is USB C. So let's get that off. See if it goes on. All right, see, with a little bump here, doesn't go on properly. So it says you can take the insert out. It's a magnetic insert. Let's take that off. Let's try to fit it on now. And it does not fit. All right. So, quick video. Let you know if you have the keyboard and you're looking at this, it does not fit. Dope though. I would have loved it. But doesn't fit. So it'll be going back. And I love Amazon. Let's see. It's just not going on. It's too thick. And I guess they wasn't really paying attention. You know what I mean? Some people, I just be honest, man, they don't pay attention to what's going on. They don't think that people's going to buy certain accessories. You should always make your accessory compatible with other accessories. Plan for the future. Now this thing, I don't know how long it's been out, but again, plan for the future. You know, I know there's other keyboard cases out there, and this one is not that thick really compared to other ones I've had. They should have planned for the future, and they kind of did with the insert thing, but just didn't work properly. But that's about it. You know what I mean? Just real quick, see if it worked, so y'all know if it worked or not. All right, I'm gonna holler at y'all. Easy.